going to take this cabinet off and we're going to make this bathroom look awesome. We got to get this off of there. And of course it's flatheads. So we hooked up a flathead and let's do it. We'll start off at the bottom. We're going to be reversing it, so could have used a little more light in here because I am blind. Now, if we can, I'm going to try to use the exact same holes. So I'm going to save all these. And let's see if there's anything in here. So nothing in the center, just on the edges. Let's get this one over here. Got to take this one off. Done. Get that bad boy off of there. Keep that, save that there. And now we gotta take these down. All right. These are the big ones. They're holding all the weight. You know, we gotta be careful. I'm hearing some funny sounding things back there. This could have been glued on here too. Let's see if anything happens. Oh, look at this, is a long one. Okay, that's off. But I did hear something fall behind there. So you can see it's kind of stuck onto this wall. So let's get this last one. We're gonna hold it and so it doesn't fall. That's that. That one's out of there. All right, so as you can see, this thing looks like it was glued on. So I'm gonna have to pull it off. So let's see how this, yeah, it's on there. I mean, they must have glued it on. It's so on there. Yep. Of course, it's always going to be a problem. You know, what do you expect? Right, so we're going to use this blade. We're just going to slide it down the side and the top. Let's see if we can loosen this. I'm going to do that all over. See if I can get it off of here. And all right, so anyway, I'm going to get up here and see if see how this is in here. They did not fool around. They put this thing on there good. There we go. So I'm hitting it with a hammer. There we go. So it will come off. You just got to use a little strength. Yep, there we go. Got it. Okay, looking good. Put this one on, and we got some hardware, and it's a Phillips head, so we're good. All right, so I'm going to set these two here, and they're almost perfect height. And then we're going to set this cabinet on top of there. And that should give us where we can make our marks. All right, we're going to bring her in, and it's going to set it right on top of here. And that is basically how it's going to go. Two little baskets, which work perfect. I'm going to set it right there. And we're a little low on this. I mean, I could go up a little bit higher. This one must be a little bit shorter than that one down there. But I think that's going to work right there. Now, you move this. Don't need this for this right now. So now we got to set our spots. But I think that might look good there, like that. All right, so anyway, got to mark these. So I'm just going to use this little pencil, go in there and mark it on there. Got to get in here, get in there and mark that one. And then mark this one in here. And then last but not least in there. So now I've got little markings on all 4 of these. You can see it back there, it's marked on it. Now I gotta pull this down. Now we gotta drill our holes. And then we're gonna put our cabinet on. You don't wanna go too big, because if you go too big, then it won't expand. So we'll try that. And then we're gonna push these in. So we gotta switch that on there. Take a look at it. That should do it there. All right, there's one hole. All right, so when we try it, it's not going in there. So I gotta go a little bit bigger. So we gotta change that bit. So we're gonna go with that bigger one. Okay, so we got a little bit bigger bit. Just making it a little bit bigger. It's okay to go smaller first. So now let's try this. Okay, so it's kind of fitting in there. The question is, can I drive it in? All right, so what I'm gonna do is, see if it'll just go in nice and smooth. All right, so that's gone there. Because this has to come through. This has to come through the thing. All right. So that's where it's supposed to stop, right there. So if we push this one in, and then give it a couple pounds. This one. That should do it. Now we got to put 2 up here. All right, so let's go ahead and get our hole drill. Done. One here. Done. All right, let's get our things. Shove that one in. There's one in there. Put that one all the way in. And we're ready to go. Now we can go ahead and grab our thing and put her up there. You can see that right back there. So I'm gonna slide this in tight there. And then I've got to try to get them in those holes right there. And you can see I'm just a little bit low. I'm almost on it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a screw in here, start it, make sure I get it in the right spot. Let's do this one, it's easier to see. Twist that baby on there. Now we're gonna put one in here too. So I decided I needed to put some washers on these because it's just really, I think the heads will pull through. So I put one there. I put one here. If I can find the hole again. All right, so we're on that. Screw that in. Get that on there. Right now, what I gotta try to do is, oh yes, I see it, excellent. So I've got that one. And that's there. But the question is, do I have any more washers? And I don't see any. And these are really not that big of heads on them at all. Oh, good. See the other one too. All right, so this one, I think I can get on that one too. All right, that's good. All right, I think we're good. Right now, we just got to tighten them all down, and we should be good. That took a little work, trying to figure out what was what there. All right, so let's go ahead and tighten those bad boys down. I'm going to use the handheld one because I don't want to go too crazy with it. Okay, let's get these now. Should tighten it right in there. Get the other side. Nice. Nice and tight. Good. 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 I don't want to do it too tight because it'll pull the back off. All right, so we don't need that anymore. I don't know how it works. Works somehow. All right, let's shut this. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's check our level and make sure we didn't unlevelify it. Looks good. Right now we just got to pull our baskets out and we're ready to go. Let's do that. Oh, so far so good. It did not fall off. Okay. Put that there. And this goes in there. All right, so that does not look too bad. That's her hammer. All right, now we can take the other basket out. Yeah, done. All right, I do believe that we have accomplished our goal, and this baby's on there. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff at home by yourself. Peace.